All right, hey guys, just gonna do a quick review real quick on Boeing. This is what we call getting stuck in the window. This is what institutional traders will absolutely destroy a stock on, a la T-Doc, DraftKings, Tesla. Oh, there's so many. Just look up my old plays, and you can look up Cypher in general. It is brutal what they do when this stock gets caught in this window. There's so many examples. Piton, T-Doc, um, what else? There's just so many that I have. Tesla. I'm trying to think of some other ones. We're going to do this one real quick together, okay? This is called getting stuck in the window. And once you're stuck in the window, all you're doing is looking to get this thing short, and you're going to flip it long when it comes back to 786, all right? We're just going to do this really quickly, and it's going to be low to high to low. You can skip this subwave. This is just a small wave, and really you're having one big ABCD pattern, which this also is. I don't think we need to measure that. This length equals this one, but just this pullback. But this is what we're interested in, this 272 touch. Stop loss above 414, 1.414. And all we're going to do now is we are looking to put a Cypher pattern in here. We have the pullback. We have the two peaks. We have it stopping in the window. This is all we're trying to do. Again, you want this spike up to be a little bit higher into 272, but this is just a good example. It can still work. We probably need the market to pull back a little bit for this to fulfill, but we're just going to draw it real quick anyway, okay? So it's X, A, B, C, and 786 should be about right here, so roughly. And then we'll go ahead and we'll draw it, okay? Trigger, 786, we missed by a little, guys, sorry. This is where we're looking to get long. One other thing I wanted to show you. So once you get stuck in this window, the next thing you do, you go from your top-down approach again. Now we're in a daily time frame, right? I'm sorry, we're in a weekly time frame, so we're gonna go down to daily. What do we see in a daily? Okay, I can tell you immediately. As soon as I have it open, you can see it. Now we have our point. This was our trigger that you can start looking to go short once this bar gets stuck in there. But what do we have here? This is how institutional players know how to get short. Okay, I can tell immediately just by looking at this. This is an M-shaped double top. You would have to go down to a lower time frame. You can just see it right in here. We have a high, drop down low, another peak high, neckline break, and then all we're doing right here is sitting at 618 and waiting to get short. Really, really easy. So this was our trigger. We're looking for a pattern that's actionable, meaning we have a stop loss. We know how to get short. Bang. What is it? Two double top, two. Our pullback to 260. Sorry about that, guys. Pull back to 260. You get short with your stop above the high, and you ride this thing down. A lot of times you can ride it all the way down to down here. Again, you want to be taking partials off down on the way. You can look at Tesla, has the same exact pattern. You can look at DraftKings, it has the same exact. Pretty much everything Kathy Wood bought, it has. T-Doc, just hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of points. It's almost unbelievable. Once you get stuck in this window, institutional traders will literally eat you for lunch. They will take it, absolutely destroy whatever you're in. So if you get stuck in this 1.272 window and 414 on your second peak or second wave drive, institutional traders, algorithms, they all know to get short this stock. And how do they know to get short? They go down to a smaller time frame and they find actionable patterns. You can actually go short as soon as a bar gets stuck up in here and see if there's anything. A lot of times, I was going to say, a lot of times TradingView won't show those pre-market patterns, but you'll see them up in pre-market, either a small range break, a small 5-minute 2618, a small inside bar in 5, 10, or 15 minutes. But you'll see those a lot of times in pre-market. A lot of times pre-market will fulfill the actual legs of your peaks or the triggers. They'll hit in pre-market where you get those crazy moves. Something to really be just interested in. I will be posting this play. I don't love when the second peak has this extra wave, but it is still actionable. I've back tested tons and tons of them, and I've gone over this with my mentor, and it is okay to use this subwave because again, we're looking for this big ABCD move, this big triangle right here, cut down to here, and then this move up to here gives us an idea that this could start to pull back, and then once you get stuck in this window, institutional traders know to get short. And how do they know? They go to a smaller time frame and they find an actionable trade, and that's it. Value is down here, believe it or not. It could easily pull back to this 618 area. If we have any bad turn in the market, it could happen.